Looking for an honest take on Acko Health Insurance before signing up? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you'll get a clear breakdown of its biggest strengths, real limitations, and what actual customers are saying, so you can decide confidently. Let's start with what makes Acko stand out. One major highlight is the zero waiting period under their Platinum Health Insurance plan. For specific ailments, coverage kicks in immediately. No long waiting timelines, which is a huge relief if you're looking for instant protection. Then there's their hospital network. With over 5,300 hospitals across India, cashless treatment becomes far more accessible, especially in major cities and Tier 2 locations. Another advantage is affordable premiums. Acko has earned a reputation for pocket-friendly plans, making medical coverage more reachable for individuals and families without stretching the budget. And when it comes to claims, the experience is mostly smooth. Their paperless, app-based claim process is designed to be fast and convenient, allowing you to initiate and track claims right from your phone. But like any insurer, Acko isn't perfect. There are a few things you should be aware of before deciding. Some customers have reported delays in cashless claim approvals. In emergencies, even small delays can create stress, so this is worth considering. There are also concerns around transparency and customer support. Feedback suggests that communication and empathy could be stronger, especially during claim follow-ups. Coverage limitations are another factor. Certain plans may not include OPD treatments or ICU services, which could leave gaps depending on your medical needs. And as with most insurers, cosmetic surgeries aren't covered, so don't expect claims on elective or aesthetic procedures. Now, what are policyholders actually saying? Reviews are mixed. Many appreciate the affordable premiums and quick digital processes. Others feel the claims experience and support need improvement. It really comes down to the plan you choose and how prepared you are with the details. So, is Acko Health Insurance worth it? If you're looking for affordability, digital convenience, and quick coverage options, Acko delivers strong value. But it's important to look beyond the highlights. Go through the policy wording, check what's excluded, and don't overlook customer service experiences. To make the best decision, compare plans, and, if needed, speak with an insurance advisor who can help match the coverage with your exact health needs. If this review helped you get clarity, stick around for more breakdowns like this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.